Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the CORSAIR iCUE Link 3500X RGB mid-tower ATX PC case, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This case is an excellent option for PC builders who want a combination of style, cooling performance, and compatibility with modern motherboard designs. The CORSAIR iCUE Link 3500X RGB stands out with its panoramic tempered glass panels that wrap around the front and side, offering a stunning visual of your build. These glass panels are not only visually striking but also removable, making system assembly and maintenance much easier. The case supports a wide range of motherboard sizes, from Mini-ITX up to EATX, giving you flexibility whether you're building a compact rig or a high-performance powerhouse. Cooling is a key focus here. The case supports up to 10 120mm fans, with mounting points on the side, roof, and PSU areas. This ensures excellent airflow without compromising the sleek glass aesthetic. Included in the package are 3 pre-installed CORSAIR iCUE Link RX120 RGB fans, which deliver both efficient cooling and vibrant customizable lighting effects. The iCUE Link system hub simplifies fan and RGB management, reducing cable clutter and integrating seamlessly with CORSAIR's iCUE ecosystem for synchronized lighting and fan control. A unique feature is its compatibility with reverse connection motherboards, such as ASUS BTF and MSI Project Zero. This means the ports and cables are routed behind the motherboard, keeping the front and side views clean and free of distracting cables. Pros: stunning panoramic tempered glass design with easy removal for accessibility. Supports a wide range of motherboard sizes including EATX. High cooling potential with up to 10 fan mounts and included RGB fans. iCUE Link system hub for simplified fan and RGB management. Compatible with reverse connection motherboards for a clean build aesthetic. Cons: white color option may show dust and fingerprints more easily. Tempered glass panels, while beautiful, require careful handling to avoid damage. Limited space for very large radiators if planning a custom water cooling loop. Overall, the CORSAIR iCUE Link 3500X RGB is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to build a visually impressive and well-cooled PC with modern features and easy cable management. Don't forget, the link to buy this case at a discount is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to get a great deal today.